He's recording.
I'm not recording.
We can make a baseball cap.
Hi, I'm Ranilu, and this is our my group members. Our group name is Eco, and this is Sahani, Sweeney, Bloomy, and we are taking part in the competition of Trash It, which we use the recycled material and do it. And we are doing a dress with bottle lids, and we have to take around 5,000 lids, and we have to smash it, make the holes, and then stitch it. And she's the smasher. She's the one who's making the holes. And we also have to make jewelry and bags and stuff.
Hi everyone, we are the group Aztecs, and we first took the Aztec prints that is quite famously used as a trend as of right now for fashion designing in quite a lot of brands. So we decided to take that as the print basis for our dress. So, and also for the structure, we decided to take the Eiffel Tower as inspiration.
This is our team. This is Kevin, Yuveda, Dilshi, and I'm Alicia. The materials we picked were CDs and magazines and newspapers, and we chose to sew a basic bustier dress. But then when we added the CDs and newspapers, we changed it up a bit to make it a little more creative and innovative and
We
stuff.
came up with some accessories also.
Oh yeah.
And
A nice hat, and then bracelets and
Our team name is Splatterjack, and I'm the leader, and my name is Malisha. My teammates are Vinoda and Dulanga.
So we were inspired by Jackson Pollock's art. He introduced the technique of dripping and splattering, and we used that to decorate our outfit. That's why we called it Splatterjack. We added the waistcoat because we initially went with a very Eastern theme with the sarong, but then we decided to add the waistcoat and make it like a sort of blend of Western and Eastern.
So our theme is Beach to the Bar, where it's about how we always wear swimwear and we go to the beach, but when we always have to change if you want to head to the bar. So this is where we create a swimwear, which you can create. We create a swimwear which we can turn into a dress and walk into the bar.
Hi, we're group Ropes and Wires, and I'm the group leader Anjum, and this is Sandini, Lauren, and Viola.
For this piece, we were kind of inspired by Xena, the warrior princess, and we were going for a more Amazonian rustic feel because the materials that we're using are a bit more utilitarian, so we figured doing something
More of
ancient. Yeah, something like that. Not necessarily a modern piece.
Yeah, it's not very.
Because the materials we're using, except for the wires, which actually it's kind of a contradiction. Because the ropes are an old product, whereas the wires are something new. So it's an interesting juxtaposition.